Hello, welcome to Salt and Light Canning. I'm Jessica. This is my kitchen. Today I'm peeling some carrots and I am making some carrot cake jam. It's my husband's favorite and it is really delicious, and it's fall, so I'm feeling like making carrot cake jam. I need about 8 cups or so of shredded carrots, and for me that's around a 5-pound bag. I'm not quite sure, but I'm peeling these carrots and I'm going to use my KitchenAid mixer attachment to get them shredded, and then we will finish up our jam. But let me get these peeled, and then I'm also going to cut off like the end pieces and get them shredded up. I suppose you could also dice your carrots if you want to. I've always shredded them. Anyway, you need about 8 cups of shredded carrots. So I'm going to turn this on and get that started, and I'll be back. I'm doing something else. Have all of my carrots shredded. I'm going to get them in this pot. So that was a 5-pound bag of carrots. To that, I'm going to add 1 quart of apple cider or apple juice, or you could do water. I'm going to add 1 pound of golden raisins, 60 ounces of crushed pineapple, and about ½ a cup of lemon juice. I'm going to get this on the stove and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Well, my carrots and things have been simmering for about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to add some seasoning because it's carrot cake jam. You need seasoning. I'm going to add some cinnamon. We'll do 4 teaspoons. Some cloves. Do 2 teaspoons. And some ginger. We'll do 2 teaspoons. And mix that up. Smells so good. So now we've been boiling. I'm going to add my pectin. This is about 16 tablespoons of pectin. Get that mixed in. I'm going to bring it back to a boil and let it boil for 2 or 3 minutes. Just boiling. I'm going to watch my kitchen clock and let this boil for 2 or 3 minutes. All right, now that my jam has been boiling for a few minutes, I'm going to add my sugar. This is about 16 cups of sugar. Ooh, and I'm spilling it everywhere. I get that mixed in. And I'm going to bring this back to a boil that I can't stir down. Now, to help reduce any foaming that I might have, I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Been around for my other jam videos, you know I don't do the whole scrape the top and make sure that there's no foam thing in my jam. I just add a little bit of butter, and that little bit of butter will take care of any foam issues that you might have in your jam. So my jam is boiling, and I'm stirring, and it's still boiling, so it's at a boil that I can't stir down. And I'm going to let it boil for just a couple of minutes, and then we will check our set. All right, we've been boiling for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to check my set. Can you hand me the spoon? We just put a couple of spoons in the freezer. Now our jam is like hot as lava, but they're still a little runny, so I'm going to let it boil for another couple of minutes. You want to taste it? Also, what you can do if you're having trouble getting your jam to set is just add a little more pectin. Just sprinkle it over so you don't end up with a bunch of clumps. So add a little bit more pectin, stir it in, let it boil for a minute or two, and then we'll check our set again. All right, we're gonna check our set. That's much better, but still not quite there. If you haven't made carrot cake jam, you should definitely make carrot cake jam. It smells like autumn in here, doesn't it? It smells so good. All right, let's check our set one more time. Yep. You're like, give it to me. All right, this is gonna set up really nicely. I can tell because it's like hot as blazes, but it's really coating the spoon well. So that tells me that it's gonna set really well. So I'm gonna turn off my heat and I'm gonna get set up on my other counter. I'm going to pour my carrot cake jam in my jelly jars. Now the goal is between 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch of headspace. I'm not going to debubble because it's jam. I'm not worried about it. Oh, it's so pretty and it smells so good. I'm going to wipe the rim of my jar with some white vinegar. Grab a lid and a ring and just to finger tight. Oh, this is so pretty. And hot, hot, hot. So delicious, so beautiful. You'll have to let me know what you're canning, what you're doing in your kitchen. I love to hear from you. Just love it. I'm just going to keep filling jars and we'll be back when I'm doing something else.
Uno action.
Okay. Well, my canner is full and I have it turned on. It has a splash of vinegar and I'm going to bring this to a boil and I'm going to process at a boil for about 10 minutes and then we'll take them out. I'll be back when I'm taking them out. Well, my carrot cake jam processed for about 10 minutes and then the timer went off, so I turned everything off, took the lid off, and we've been waiting a few minutes and now it's time to take them out. So pretty. These are gonna relax and seal and have a good night. And then tomorrow I'll come in and take the rings off and wash my jars and label them and put them in the pantry. I love being able to do this for my family. Such a blessing. But anyways, be so blessed. Know that you're loved and be a blessing to someone else. I'll see you in the next video.